What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another fishing mission. Back out here at the waterfall today. This place has been on fire lately. I just recently caught my PB flathead out of here. I've caught multiple PBs out of here in the past. We're out here today looking for them. I'm gonna get the cast net, get some bait, get them in the water, see if we can find them. Let's go. All right, the first thing we gotta do today is get some bait. Let's head right here. Pretty shallow right here. Little bass. Can't keep that guy for bait. And then we got one little bluegill. All right, we got one little guy. I'm gonna hook this up real quick. All right, this one I'm gonna hook up on this weightless rig. So just a hook, no weight, no bobber. Just let it swim freely. And we're gonna catch another piece of bait for that pole. Here we go. Oh yeah, there's a few of them in there. Good, we could load up our little bucket. All right, we're gonna take just a little one and put him on this rig, little bobber rig. Hook him up the same way right to the back. All right, we got two in there. Let's go. All right, while those are out marinating over there, I got a little bluegill tied up underneath the bobber on this one. I'm gonna just drift through this little channel right here while we wait for those two to get eaten up. See if there's anybody over here looking for a little meal. Oh, right away. Oh, are you kidding me? Did y'all see that? Literally as soon as it hit the water, something ate it. Let's try that again. Got him this time. What we got here, first fish of the day, little walleye. Yes sir, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I was hoping it would be a good bite today. We had rain yesterday. It's a little higher of a pool this morning. Let's go. First fish of the day is a little walleye. I'm gonna try this weightless one over here. See if I can get it down to the bottom and find some other fish. Got one. Something small. What do we got here though? Another walleye. Same size as the first one. Fish number two. One weightless, one on a bobber. Yes sir. Yeah, look at the bait. All right, we got another bait. Got him. Got him this time. Another one. Oh no, he threw my little bluegill right there. And he swallowed it. We got another one though. I gotta go over here and get my pliers. All right, there we go. Fish number 3. Another walleye. They've all been about the same size. Right over there in the little channel. No action on either one of the bobber rigs over here. I'm gonna recast them while I'm over here. He's still alive. Come on. Come on, bobber rig. Maybe way over there. And then this one, I've been casting it up right over here where it comes, feeds out over these rocks and gets deep right there. Usually there's fish in there, but hasn't been so far today. I'm gonna keep casting it over there though. Got one. Something small. I just cast it up into the little falls up there. Oh wow. This dude is barely bigger than the fish that he ate. Fish number 4 though. There we go. Let's try back over here again. Got him. Oh, this looks kind of good. What is this? Yes, sir. White bass or wiper. What? Ooh, shit. Chill out, buddy. Fish number 5. Species number 3. There we go. It's a little wiper or striper, one or the other. I think it's a striper actually. Let's go, fish number 5. Just weightless right here in this little channel. Get out of here, buddy. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video. Got to the midday here and the bite has died out. So it was a little weird. 4 of the fish that I caught were in that little channel, and the other one was right up by the rapids. So it was a little different than normal, but Waterfall produces again. I caught 5 different fish, 3 different species, I believe. So can't complain. This is my favorite spot. Appreciate y'all tuning in today. Make sure you like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.